It's almost end of Monday. What's the time? What's the actual time? Yes, we have only half hour left on Monday. But first, let's talk about what actually happened in Friday after the video, what I was doing. So in the video, price action creating a W pattern here. But previously with the W pattern, you can see it the whole way, all those bullish movements. We have W pattern with a nice respect going higher all the way here again, here again, here again, and here again. So the first time price is, so for currently, yeah, the first time price is disrespecting, but let's zoom in like how it was happening. So if you take this W pattern, but you take in the pieces, for example, in the micro level, you can see the structures. So that's the high there, and that's the low here. Ooh, this one. So for example, when this uh, when this W pattern want to respect the price action and keep continuing higher, price action have to go above this area, respect it, retest it, and start breaking the higher. But what the price is doing, price is getting rejected, price is getting rejected, and then price is getting rejected here more again. So when we have a W pattern with the W high, second leg, and now price is doing like that, and then price was going down, so we get rejection opposite sides. When we want to go the up higher with the pulleys, we have to go above the high point, retest, and start going higher. But this time happened is get rejected. No energy, manipulation, fear, all those details. And the opportunity was awesome. The second one, take profits, stop loss, stop loss. Yep, awesome. Awesome opportunity. And then prices. Here you have another opportunity. And this take profit has to be here for this moment. So this one here. Because you can see this all here. It is pushing higher. And the meaning is there is inside, there is opportunities inside here. When the price is touching this area, there is the new opportunities, and those are your take profits. For example, if you take the entry here, your stop loss back to here. That's something for Friday. But what was happened today? First thing, what I was looking end of the Friday, I leave the FIB here. Because when I see the disrespect of the W, when I put the FIB here, when I see the disrespect of the W, my mind was going, we're gonna go retest the Fibonacci. And what was happened today, you can see bounce. And then after we touch it, what was happened? We break the structure higher. So the price action is going inside this area, creating a pattern, bullish one, and the first emotion, the first behavior, we break the highs. And this 618 and 0.7, the Fibonacci level, was respected previously too. Then, because it is a Monday, I was a little bit more extra patient, because it is a Monday for very simple behavior here, because it's weekend. Then people spend money, and Monday they want it back, and then market can be dangerous. So patient, at least the first time, because okay, let's zoom in. So the price is going here. So I put this line here. Is the reason because of the pattern. So if you're looking inside here, we have, it's not like super shiny here, but it's still there. We have head and shoulder patterns here, but this is a bullish pattern. But this one was for me a super good left side, left shoulder. Then you have head here, and then this I was waiting. That's why I put it here, because the principle, the principle here is still same. It's gonna be this one, or it's gonna be break, retest, and start going higher. There was two things in my mind. So here, so the price is going all the way, and now happening here. But price is going straight under and close under the first time. Then what's happened? The price is going above this area, and what is happening in micro level? We break the structure higher. So now that's the original movement. Where is the original entry? Is the retest now. So for the buyers, original entry is this one. That's your stop loss, and your take profit is back to the retest. Back to the retest is here, because we don't have a retest. Everything can change in that moment when price action is reaching that moment. So that was the first original buy opportunity, and that's why I didn't take it, because it's the Monday, and most likely we have a manipulation movement, so extra patient. Same thing with the Friday. So that was the first one. And what was happened? Price is going higher, and then you get stop out. But what is happening after the stop out? The price is going higher, and we break the structure again. And now it's the same principle. Price is going down. Retest it. It's just, I don't know, it's just all there front of our eyes, beautifully, just beautifully. Retest and start going. The other one was the super good, was the Fibonacci entry, and you can see here the 618. Break a structure first. It's very good, the Fibonacci entry, and Fibonacci take profit for hit here already. So Fibonacci movement is done. But my trade was here. My stop loss here. And TP for the retest. That's my trade, and it's still open right now. So the other thing, what can happen for the longer one will be the pattern here. What was complete? So this pattern want to go back to the trend line, and trend line is here. That's a trend line, and this pattern want to go back here. So it's back holding on, but we don't know because this price action easily when we reach this moment, this can happen easily. But let's see what's happened here firstly, because it's getting rejected here. So this will be the level reaching the take profit. That's the holder there. But morning too. The structure break and retest here. Very good entry points for nice scalp opportunities. Let's look this one actually. 5 minute is super good. 1 minute entries. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, yep. 1 minute entries. Very good. Super nice movement. Yeah, every break structure was retested. So the first structural levels here, you have break, retest, and then you have the line here, break, retest, and then you have literally price action, break the high, retest, break the high, retest, equal high, 618, break, and then it's done. Start going, and here it start happening because this still want to push it higher, but we lose the momentum. The W is failing here, and the W is failing here, and then it's just going. But here you have information because things are started changing, but they're all changing with the information. But that was the trade, still open, and let's see what's happened tomorrow. Thank you everyone, and I see you next video. Ciao.